Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Reviewing 24. This is your host Shrutika. How are you doing all? I hope you all are doing fine. You all are safe at home and everything is going good with you. So guys, yes, I got this 4 parcels from Meesho. Okay, and again I'm a little late to review them because again I'm a corporate girly, so I have limited time to sleep. And my maximum time goes in the office, and I do night shift, so you all can relate with me, especially the people who are working in night shift. Okay, so yes, so again, I think this parcel maybe yes, this parcel I got today in the afternoon. The time I was leaving for my shift, and these 3 parcels I got on Saturday. But again, on Saturday also I was working, and after coming from shift, which was like it was mid morning of Sunday. Again, I was not in the mood to record this. That's the reason I'm being late. So let's review this all the products one by one, starting with this. So these are 4 parcels. I hope all the sizes fits me because I'm literally very lazy to return the products same. When it comes to return, the people call me at inconvenient time. Either I'm already in the office, either I'm on the way to the office, and when I'm available, they never come. So this is the mistake. Again, I just want all the fits to be fitting one. Okay, so this is the first fit. This is a nice black top I have ordered, and the size is what size it is. Let me check. So the size is medium. Yes, medium. I just have a lot of expectations from this particular top because I want to pair this on a beautiful skirt. Okay, so this is how the top looks. I just hope that it fits me. It's a nice off-shoulder top. Okay, the material is quite good, like what can be like. Oh. Okay. Finding it soft, the fabric is a little soft. I just hope that it doesn't gets what it is called. Just hope it doesn't gets those guys. I don't know what it's called. I know that word, what it's called in English, but I'm not able to remember right now. I don't know what it's called in Marathi, what it's called in Hindi also, but I know it's called like. I just hope that it doesn't get that gray. You know what I need to say, like my Marathi audience, I need to. Okay, so the finishing here, I find like I can see the shilai. So let's see the quality wise. Okay, now let's see how it looks on me. Okay, I will try it. So yes guys, this is how it looks. Okay, I have paired this off shoulder top with this beautiful pleated skirt, which is again from Meesho, but again that time I wasn't reviewing the product, so this it's still remain on review. But again guys, I really love this skirt. It's very comfy. Okay, and yes, it has so many colors. And with on this, like for this skirt I have taken red, a very good red top against foundation. It's nice to talk about this product. So it's a nice off shoulder product. It's a nice off shoulder top. This is how it looks. Of course I haven't removed the tag, of course, for a few reasons. So yes, I liked it, and yes, it looks okay. Yes, so only with the sleeves they're not that defined. Like on the website it was showing you the nice 3 strands and which you can able to flaunt, but here it's I find it okay type of product. So what do you guys think? Should I keep this or should I return it? By the way, it's very comfortable and it's very balanced. So I think I will keep this. Definitely I will keep this. I really liked it. And yes, now coming back to the even I have ordered this also. Now this I have ordered in the size M. Okay. Again from Meesho. I hope that this fits well. So on this skirt I have 2 options, either to go with this or either to go with this. So let's see how it fits. Guys, excuse me if you in middle of my video if you hear the sound of dogs barking, because as I told you that I shoot or record my videos in the midnight. So it's not 3, it's 3:30 a.m. right now. I hope the camera captures it well. So yes, it's in the middle of midnight. Yes. So this I have a lot of expectations from this product as well. I hope it meets my expectation. And by the way, this product I feel like it's if I have to rate this product out of 5, I would say it's 2 because of this straps. I can able to adjust, but I don't know how to do that. Okay, the whole point is it's a off shoulder, but they're not that determined. See, take it. Maybe I'll take this as a nice strap, on this fully or nothing. But again, it's very comfortable, guys. Maybe I have ordered it in any size, so it's comfortable. Yes, now coming back to this. So this is how it looks. This is the front. Okay, this is the front. This is the back. You have to tie the product looks on me after a lot of tying that product, wrapping that product up around me. So guys, no, definitely this product is not that great. I'm going to return this product back. Okay, the back kind of looks like this. It's kind of a backless, but again, guys, no. It's a huge no. No replacement, directly return. This product is not what I've imagined, so no. Plus, it's not my size also, so from here it doesn't look good. I can't go like this outside, so let's be realistic. I'm going to return this product. Okay, that's it. So the back looks like this. Like you can type up. This is a lace that you can adjust the you can adjust like how much time you want, how much loosen you can be, but no guys, not for me. Now coming back to the third product. This yes, I have ordered this top as well. So this is the return guys, okay? I hope I have plastics in case. So then this I have ordered in the size again M. For safer side I have ordered all of the box in M size. But then I have a lot of expectations from this as well. I don't think it needs my expectations. Right now the straps. So this is how the top looks. It's nice, cute. I hope this fits me. I just hope that. So guys, what I will do, like I have ordered the white, like a Pinterest kind of white long skirt. So what I will do, I will show this. And again, the good part is it has inbuilt. See, it has inbuilt cuffs as well. See, so in case if you're not, in case if you don't want to wear the bra, you can directly go with that. It has inbuilt. So let's see. And again, let me see whether it's removable or not, because I don't like inbuilts. Clearly, no for that. That was so much for it. Why it is inbuilt? Yes, guys, it's inbuilt. You can't be able to remove. You won't be able to remove it. Take it. Still, I will try how it looks. So, guys, yes, this is a top. I will show you. I've specifically ordered not for this top. I have ordered this skirt. Again, for this skirt, I will order this. So, the skirt I have ordered in 28 size. And this is the white Pinterest long skirt which was running throughout my Pinterest, which was running throughout my Instagram, which was running throughout my, of course, Meesho app. But let's see what about the quality. Yes, guys, I'm talking about this products, this top quality. It really looks good. Okay, I can feel that it's a nice, it's stretchable too. Okay, and yes, I feel that the quality is good. Like it's nice crop top and plus the detailing as well. But only the part I feel little scary is these pads are not removable. So what if I don't want the pads? Because I don't need that. Sometimes I don't need that. Sometimes I need it. Sometimes I don't. Okay, perfect second. I try to remove that. So I was very much excited for this. So I hope it meets my expectations. Voila. So guys, it's a cotton skirt. It's a long cotton skirt, and I think it's see-through. Yes, guys, it's see-through. You definitely need something inside this. Otherwise, if you go in a bright sun, so it's a see-through. Yes, it's see-through. I hope it fits the length. Okay, now I'll change and I'll show you how. So guys, yes, this is how it looks on the jeans, guys. It's very comfy. Plus, it's fitting me at the right place, and guys, it's really good. And the pads inside it, guys, if you want, you can keep it. If you don't want, you can remove. But again, removing is not that easy because it's stitched. Okay, so they're not removable. Okay, but by the way, guys, talking about the fit, that's really good. Like I can easily to breathe, and it's comfy too. Okay, so talking about the size, I feel it's a little bit tight, but again, not that it's stretchable too. So I'm a little confused whether to keep this size or to return or to replace that with large size. But guys, right now it's looking very chic, and yes, I really like this. I really like this. So yes, this is how it looks on jeans. Okay, extremely comfortable. I'm feeling very good in this top. Okay, it's not that deep neck. It's not that crop. But again, if you want, if you're okay showing your belly, you can. But this is how it looks. Now let's try this on the skirt. How it looks. I hope that it matters. Hey guys, so this is how the skirt looks. It's extremely comfortable. Okay, yes, it's see-through, so you have to wear some shorts beneath that, because if you go like this in sun, you already know what are the effects. So please avoid that. By the way, this is really amazing. Okay, it's a cotton, nice cottony skirt. Okay, you can pair this with a lot of other options as well. You can layer this particular skirt with turtlenecks, with crop, which I'm right now styling it, and this is how it looks from the back. Extremely comfortable, guys. I really like the fit, and again, for this they have given this flank as well. Okay, like you can, if you want, you can keep this. If you don't want, you can throw it away. Okay, either you can just hide this with your top if you don't want, because I don't want the strings, because here I already have this one, so I don't want here as well. So yes, this is how it looks, and I'm really happy with the fit. So guys, do let me know if you like this video. Do let me know do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment. And again guys, I'm repeating the same thing, I'm very new creator, okay? And yes, I record most of my videos after my shift, so lot of time my energy is a little down because I'm already drained a lot in my office. But yes, I really like to record the videos, I really like to put that, okay? And there is so many guys, I have done so much of online shopping, but recently I started recording the videos and reviewing that. So yes guys, if you like this product, you can definitely go for it. But again, this is a cotton, okay? So if you're okay with cotton, you can go for it. If you don't want, you can go for other option. But mostly this pattern comes in a cotton, they are not available in the satin. Either you can go with the pleated one, but again, this I can also pleat. This and this is a little different, but yes, mix and match we can do, okay? But yes guys, if you like this video, do let me know in the comments. And till then, take care, signing off, love you all. And yes guys, stay safe, and guys, be happy, because happiness is the priority, okay? I love recording the videos, that's the reason. Even after completing my shift, like my 9-hour shift, I'm traveling, so I spend a lot of time outside, but I like recording the videos, that's the reason I do that. So this is for the happiness, this is for my happiness, and yes, you can find your happiness too. And keep loving, bye, take care.